Welcome to Hyatt Regency Mission Bay Spa and Marina. Located in the perfect playground for water lovers, the hotel is just minutes from SeaWorld and downtown San Diego. The hotel has 2 restaurants, a pool area with 3 water slides, and an on-site dock offering easy access to fishing, whale watching excursions, and sailing adventures. Christmas was in full bloom as we entered the lobby, which was beautifully decorated for the holidays. Check out this cozy sitting area by the fireplace and Christmas tree, which is a perfect spot for taking pictures. After a quick check-in process, we headed to our suite. We are at the Hyatt Regency Mission Bay in San Diego, and we're staying in the Marina Suite at room 2321. Let's check it out. So this one has a separate living room and a bedroom, and here's a large L-shaped sofa with a small dining table for 2. There's the big screen TV. And let's see if this has a sofa bed. Yep, it has a pull-up sofa bed. Let's continue. Let's take a look at what we have over here. And here is the coffee maker with a couple bottles of water. There's the safe. Here's the coffee and tea right here. And a small fridge. And across from that is a small cabinet drawer for additional storage. And here is the closet. It's a decent sized closet, and we already have all our stuff in there, so it fits a pretty good amount of stuff. And across from the closet is the bathroom. Just a simple single sink bathroom. There's a toilet. And here's the shower with a small tub. And finally, here is the bedroom. So this thing actually has a sliding door that you can close this. There's a big screen TV and 2 queen-size beds. Here's an office desk, but there's no keyboard, pull-out keyboard tray here. And it's kind of strange, but they have this small sitting area right here where you can just sit, relax, and watch TV. Let's take a look at our view in the balcony. Let's open up this door. And we have a view of the marina. So it's a nice sunny day out here in San Diego. And the balcony has 2 chairs and a small table. And that is a quick tour of our room here at Hyatt Regency Mission Bay in San Diego. I woke up early the next morning to take in this gorgeous sunrise from our balcony. Red Marlin serves coastal-inspired dishes, including breakfast in the morning and an upscale dining experience in the evening featuring steak and seafood entrees. We stopped by for breakfast and had this beautiful view of the marina. Beverly liked this breakfast steak burrito, while I preferred the Dungeness crab cake Benedict. Families, especially kids, will enjoy the large pool area, which has 3 heated pools, 3 water slides,
and a hot tub. Surprisingly, we were the only guests at the pool this Sunday afternoon, so the water slides were all ours to enjoy. Here's a look at the small slide for little kids and the hot tub. Cabanas are also available for reservation. Pelicans on the Bay is the hotel's poolside bar and grill, serving a wide selection of items including salads, burgers, tacos, poke bowl, and sandwiches. Hours were limited since it's low season. Market Mission Bay offers outdoor seating on the boardwalk with a picturesque view of Mission Bay. It serves a variety of takeaway breakfast, lunch, and snack options, including made-to-order and ready-made items. Take in waterfront views while working out at the hotel's Stay Fit Gym, which is open from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. It has several cardio equipment, weight training machines, free weights, and the Tonal Interactive Home Gym, which I enjoyed playing around with. Rejuvenate your mind and body at the Wellness Lounge with a relaxing treatment. Choose from a variety of massage therapy, holistic skincare, body scrubs, and wraps. The hotel has a small play area with games just outside the lobby, which I'm sure families will enjoy. It turns into a cozy area with a fireplace during the evening, which is perfect for making s'mores. The Banyan Lawn and Court, located near the hotel's entrance, accommodates up to 450 guests for ceremonies and 500 for receptions. We walked by this peaceful area in the morning and saw a yoga class taking place. Hyatt Regency Mission Bay is a great hotel for families who want to be close to SeaWorld and all the water activities Mission Bay has to offer. We enjoyed our stay and would stay here again if we're in the area. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Leave any questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching and check out our other videos.